Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change decorations for avatars on Discord. So for you to be able to change decoration for avatars on Discord, here's how you can get it done. Click on your profile, click on your profile menu on Discord. It should have something like this. Then you can easily click on the gear button. Then that should take you to your account. You can see the headings, which is my account. There you go, click on profiles, and right here these options actually allows you to change your avatars, and why this allows you to change decorations. So just simply change the decorations for it to make it look different a little. So these are the exclusive to Nitro. So I'm not sure it is an off-free because they are paid avatars and paid decoration. So I'm not sure I'll be able to use them. So now to unlock this, I have to Nitro. So right from just going to choose any of this option. Or you can use this option. You have to be a Nitro user, and that's it. Find this helpful. I can follow for. Thank you.